Hello everyone, I hope everybody's doing fine and great. In today's lesson, we're going to learn a little complicated letter. You need to be really focused to get all the proportions right here. And you need to keep in mind many things that you must avoid while writing this letter. Why am I talking so much about this letter? Because we're going to break this letter into different parts to write. Because we're going to further divide the middle zone into half to get the letter right. Okay, so let me just give you a recap of this is the upper zone, this is the middle zone, and this is the lower zone. And the letter that we're going to learn today is the letter K. So when I was taking class for students from different countries, I faced a really critical situation where students were telling me I don't want to write the letter K like this while doing the print writing. Very small kids like grade 1 and 2, they were taught to write the letter K in this way. Why? Because they know very well when they go up to higher class while learning the cursive writing, they learn to make this R shape in a very small manner. So this is what we're going to learn today. But let's keep this R part aside. Let's start with the loops. So we learned that letter L has a full loop, letter B has a full loop, whereas the letter H has a half loop. Sorry, I just missed this. Always keep in mind you need to touch the line while using the 4 lines note so that you get the proportions right. Okay, getting back to the letter K, K has a half loop. We can give it a full loop, but I'm sure you won't like it. So you need to retrace it back like this, and that's it. That's the letter K. It's basically R. We do R like this. We draw a straight line and then start from top. But here we are doing it in this manner. Okay? Do not make a knot in between. It just makes things look too curly. It's cursive writing, but anyway, it's like too much. There's no harmony. There won't be harmony when you do it in that way. So it's just R like this. So take your time and practice this R first before we complete the letter. It's just the line up and like a ribbon and R ribbon. That's nice. R. Okay, now let's move to the letter K. I told you like we can do it in full loop too. Let's try. Do you like it? No, I don't like it. So let's stick to half loop. Make sure they are not straight. Let me just show you. This is the straight line. Okay. Make sure the lines come back, whether it's a half loop or a full loop. So when you do half loop H with a straight line, it makes your cursive writing upright. To get the cursive slant, bring it back, retrace it up, and then again like this. So remember, the proportion is extremely important. So let's practice this again. The letter K, half loop, bring it back, that's important. Then retrace it, half of the middle zone, without any knots, bring it down. And also, I see this common error with students. They do till this properly. I don't know what happens, they just make the R straight. See? Pull it out, don't make it straight. Okay? It's going to be opposite. So here, can you see where you start and where you end. It's going to be like a triangle. The letter K must be like this and not like this. Okay, now the letter K. So that's how you do it. So take your time and practice whenever you write the letter K. Be conscious of following this letter. Practice it today, and in tomorrow's class we'll learn another letter. So our loop series are over. The loop series, that's completely over. We'll go to the next segment of the letters. Keep guessing what you're going to learn tomorrow. Bye bye.